Okay. So I have a question for you. Will you please tell me what do you mean by fermentation method? Yes, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by fermentation method?
Sir, to remove the impurities of water.
Okay. Is this Akshit? Akshish, like you have given a right answer, but I want Ashish Chaudhary to speak up.
Okay, sir, sorry.
Okay, so I'm launching the polls. Just answer them quickly. Start answering. Is it visible to all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
My apology. I think I have started getting the answers also. I think there would be some internet issues from your side, student, because I have started getting the answers. Okay. Once polling will be over, Harjot Kaur, I want you to unmute yourself just after the polling.
सर शो ही नहीं हो रही पोल.
ओके हरमन शो नहीं हो रही. आई थिंक लाइक आपको रिफ्रेश करनी पड़ेगी सभी बिकॉज हरमन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग आई एम एबल टू check that your class fellows are filling the answers. They are submitting the answer. I think there would be some internet issues from your side. Anyone
Sir?
like
सर शो नहीं हो रहा पोल मुझे भी.
सर मुझे भी
Harjot, am I audible? Harjot part. If you are speaking, then you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Harjot Kaur, am I audible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Harjot. Like I was calling your name for 3 to 4 times. You were not answering, Harjot.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay. So I have a question for you, Harjot. Will you please tell me what do you mean by non-alcoholic beverages? Yes, Harjot. Non-alcoholic beverages. Okay. Ashmin, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, Ashmin.
Yes, sir.
The same question to you, Ashmin.
Non-alcoholic beverages.
Non-alcoholic beverages.
Which mean light repast meals.
Which means
Which mean light repast meal repast between meals. Repast between the meals.
I'm not getting you, Ashman.
सर आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
नहीं, आवाज आ रही है, but your content is, I think it is not relevant to the question that I have asked. Non-alcoholic
Can I answer
beverages.
the question, sir?
Question is non-alcoholic beverages.
Yes. So non-alcoholic beverage contain less than 0.5 alcoholic.
Okay.
This is called non-alcoholic. Yes.
Non-alcoholic beverages. Very good. So Ashman, I think you have got the answer. So will you please tell me and like name any non-alcoholic beverage? Anyone? Single non-alcoholic beverage. The example, like example of non-alcoholic beverage. Ashman, this is for you.
सर mocktails.
No. Okay, mocktail could be anything that we used to have daily. In simple word, tea and coffee, or like tea or coffee.
Yeah.
These are the two basic non-alcoholic beverages we used to consume on daily basis, right? Some people. Okay, so now what was next? Next thing was, I think my screen is not visible. Let me check. We'll we'll come up with all these flaws, right, with one or two lectures very soon. Like in our next lecture, it will be very smooth lecture than today's, right? As like history of spirit, just have a glance that what is the history of spirit, right? The first spirit made around 4,000 years back, and it was China who like introduced this method, like the distillation method, to produce perfumes. From that, they get come to know about spirits, and the spirits that can be produced from eatable items, right? There is another that this semester is going to be like, it will be very interesting day by day. So this is it was just a start, right? So I want you to get understood what do you mean by the alcoholic beverages and how can we produce these alcoholic beverages. So now we know that there are two methods to produce. One is fermentation, another one is distillation. So fermentation is simplest and the oldest one, in which we don't need any heat, any fire, right? So what we all need to do is crush the fruit and extract the juice, put yeast, let it aside for 15 to 20 days, then fermentation take place. That particular liquid will be converted into alcoholic beverage. There are two chemical reactions will be there. One would be alcoholic content, and then the another would be carbon dioxide. So these two things will be there with the help of fermentation method. So people used to drink those alcoholic beverages, right, in the ancient time, in the previous time. Even it is there in so many like religious books also, right? And then like from today, like I would say that we will close the lecture for today. If you have any questions, I would prefer that you all write down the things, right? And we will discuss the things in the last of the every lecture, or we will cover up in the next lectures, right? I hope you have like some of the content is there in your mind now. I will never mind that if you will be asking question, right? Anything that you want to ask students? Okay.